Hello everyone, welcome to RescueNet, the pulse of your community's emergency readiness and your trusted partner in disaster preparedness and community resilience. This is the dashboard. You can get the quick access to each and every tab here. You can even check what's the weather outside for the quick information, quick actions, what you can take if something's around, emergency contacts, your progress, community reports, and the disaster management cycle, how you're going to get react. This is the risk mapping. This is like a digital compass rather than going for the random thing. Layer the map, spot the hotspots, plan the smartest route, not just the guesswork. It's real-time clarity. For that, we have added some more tabs, resources, in which you can get to know what's near you, whom help you can take, the preparedness checklist, what you need to have in emergency situation, documentation, extra batteries, medicines, and all. This is the alert section in which you can report the incident, and while after reporting it you can get it in the active alerts. And this is the AI emergency assistant for the quick guidance in which you can get anything information like if flood is around you, uh, then you can get to know what you can do in just like seconds. And this is the learning tab in which it's like interactive, interesting quiz section kind of a thing. You can know what you can do, making you prepared. And then we have the achievement section in which you have to unlock the points to earn these badges by solving the quizzes and all. This is the leaderboard section, tell you how much you are growing, how much you are learning things. This is the community page in which you can tell what's happening around you, post about it, tell what's new, what's the update, in which you can like this is how you're going to create the post. If flood is around you, then you can, it's just an example. This is how you're gonna post it, and this is the recovery section in which you can tell the damage, how much happened, or it's how much is it in recovery. You can even get the opportunities to volunteer, register yourself for that. And this is the mental health support group. You can, or you can even just go for the counseling helpline, and this is how a profile page looks like. User information, settings and all, and the emergency contacts and the emergency SOS. Here you can contact just by click, one quick click, and just share the location or scan the photos. And this is how we conclude our trip for RescueNet, developed by Team Vilnix.